Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your WhatsApp chats from an iPhone to Android without using a cable. First, open your WhatsApp app on your iPhone, then tap the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down a little and tap on chats. In here, you'll see two options: move chats to Android and transfer chats to iPhone. So tap on move chats to Android. Now tap start and WhatsApp will begin preparing your chats for transfer. Once it's done, switch over to Android phone and log in using the same phone number and your chats will be transferred automatically. After that, make sure your chat backup is turned on too. Go back to chats, then tap chat backup and check that everything is backed up. This helps keep your messages safe. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.